I was just sent this 6-piece cuticle oil set. Now this would be great to be able to use on your nails, your cuticles. Mine are always super dry, so I'm really excited to start using all this. You do get 6 different little sets here, little pens, and you get a little guide as to how to use it, and a really cute little thank you note. So that's really nice that they add that in there as well. I'm gonna bring you in here close so we can take a look at these pens. So this has a lot of really good stuff in there. So you can see on here, it also shows you just how to actually use it. So when you are looking at these, you've got a nice pen, tells you everything right here, and each one of them has this different thing right here with different colors. So it helps you know which one you're currently using. You've got a nice soft applicator right there with this little hole there. And all you do is just simply turn that. And the first time it's gonna take a little bit to get that oil up to the top, but we just spin it. And as you can see, the oil is now starting to come out. And then you just apply it around your nail, and that will absorb in and get you all sorts of moisturizing, help clean up those cuticles, and just really do a lot for your nails to help them out. Step 9, I know we're getting rough, so we are gonna see how this does. But this is a nice little set. It feels really good putting them on. Super easy to use. Put it up for next time. It's got a nice little lid to keep it all contained. It's a great little set to be able to use to nourish your nails.